Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I wash my brushes. I'm gonna be using this brush soap by Joy Adenuga. Ever since I started using this brush soap, it's made my brushing experience a lot easier. I'm going to be doing two parts of these brushes. In this video I'm going to be showing how I care for my brushes, and the next video I'm going to be talking to you guys about the different types of brushes and what they're used for. So without much talking, I'm going to let you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you tryna fight. Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you tryna fight. Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. I know I said goodbye, but when I'm done washing my brushes, I like to go in with an antibacterial spray to clean the handles. I'm gonna spray this on a cloth and then use that to clean the handle of my brushes and just, you know, disinfect those areas as well, and just make sure everything is clean. Give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice.
And that's it, you guys. That's everything. This is what the brushes are looking like afterwards. I'll just leave this to air dry and ready for another use. See you guys again in my next video. Bye.
Don't be late, I'm gliding through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Be a sweet concussion. Oh, you